Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dmytro Panchenko. I'm an artist from Ukraine. I like art, I like history of art, I like philosophy, I like art ideas. Also, I like to learn languages. On this channel, I will be talk about art ideas, art and philosophy. And also, I planning to make some painting lessons later. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about art and art ideas and architecture of ancient Rome. I like to travel, and my latest visit I make to Italy. I've been in 4 cities. It's Bergamo, Milan, Florence and Rome. Why Italy? Because I learned history of art, and it's not about only Renaissance time or Baroque time. It's also about Roman time, and it's about Roman architecture, and it's about also art of ancient Greece, like Hellenistic period, and it also I like frescoes from Pompeii. So, if you're planning to visit Rome, I want to share with you one of my favorite places in this powerful city. It is Temple of Portunus, in Italian Tempio di Portuno. The temple was constructed in time when the Rome was a republic in 1st century BC. It's like something like 80 BC. Most interesting thing is that we can't separate yet one of dominated architecture style, and we can see here styles of ancient Greek, Etruscan and Roman architecture. First of all, this temple is tiny, and the shape of this temple resembles the Parthenon and Ionic columns order, but Greeks used freestanding columns as a part of construction. And here we see the false columns only as a decorative purpose. And it's showing us the Etruscan influence. Also, columns and walls stuccoed and not made from marble as the Greek did. This temple built of tough travertine and stuccoed surface, and it has high podium and entrance porch just only on front side of the building. And it's also the Etruscan influence. But what makes the temple as a Roman temple? It's fundament, because fundament of the building constructed from concrete, and concrete at the time it's 100% a Roman technology. Near the Temple of Portunus, we can see also a Temple of Hercules, and it's only two tiny temples remains after a Roman like composition of complex of temples in the time, and it was poured on river Tiber in ancient times. After the Christianity was a state religion, this temple was also a Christian church. It was a Roman Catholic church. That because the temple remains for today and we can see it. Something like in 2014, This temple was open to public after reconstruction, but we can't enter inside, it closed for visits. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please smash the button, and see you soon on the next video. Ciao.